The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montague County in north central Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northeast of Henrietta in far northeastern Clay County, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stoneburg around 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bowie around 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in north central Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marietta to 6 miles west of Leon, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Munster, Lindsay, Callisburg, Lake Kiowa, and Valley View. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 483 and 503. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, Bryan County in southeastern Oklahoma, southern Cole County in southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, Atoka County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles south of Daisy to near Rossett, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Durant, Maudeal, Atoka, Tishomingo, Colgate, Kingston, Colbert, Caddo, Mansville, Boxeto, Ravia, Achille, Wapanucka, Stringtown, Lehigh, Bennington, Silo, Mill Creek, Milburn, and Tushka. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montague County in north central Texas, northeastern Wise County in north central Texas, Denton County in north central Texas, Cook County in north central Texas, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gainesville to near Forestburg, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Plano, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, The Colony, Corinth, Gainesville, Highland Village, Lake Dallas, Sanger, Lake Louisville, Little Elm, Crum, 35 between mile markers 468 and 503. Interstate 35W between mile markers 74 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 453 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Young County in north central Texas, southwestern Wise County in north central Texas, southern Jack County in north central Texas, Parker County in north central Texas, Palo Pinto County in north central Texas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bloomsdale to 7 miles south of Bryson, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Azle, Briar, Willow Park, Reno, Aledo, Springtown, Hudson Oaks, Annetta, Rayford, Gordon, Cool, Pooville, Cottondale, Boonesville, Mineral Wells State Park, Annetta South, Annetta North, and Millsap. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 371 and 422. Interstate 30 near mile marker 1. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north central Texas, southeastern Denton County in north central Texas, southern Collin County in north central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hackberry, or over Lake Lewisville, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Rowlett, Euless, DeSoto, Grapevine, Cedar Hill, Wiley, and Coppell. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north central Texas, southwestern Denton County in north central Texas, eastern Parker County in north central Texas, Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Worth, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Louisville, Flower Mound, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, Burleson, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, and White Settlement. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hart County in north central Texas, Hopkins County in north central Texas, Rains County in north central Texas, southern Lamar County in north central Texas, Delta County in north central Texas, northeastern Collin County in north central Texas, southern Fannin County in north central Texas, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near the port to 9 miles south of Honey Grove to McKinney, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Wiley, Greenville, Sulphur Springs, Commerce, Roy City, Enna, Princeton, Salina, Farmersville, Leonard, Cooper, Lowry Crossing, West Tawakoni, Wolf City, Quinlan, Caddo Mills, Emory, East Tawakoni, and Celeste. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 79 and 142. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerville County in north central Texas, Johnson County in north central Texas, Parker County in north central Texas, southwestern Tarrant County in north central Texas, Hood County in north central Texas, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near White Settlement to 9 miles north of Lipan, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Mansfield, Burleson, Cleburne, Weatherford, Benbrook, White Settlement, Crowley, Forest Hill, Hazel, Granbury, River Oaks, Kennedale, Everman, Keene, Joshua, Sansom Park, Lake Worth, and Alvarado. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north central Texas, southwestern Hutt County in north central Texas, Kaufman County in north central Texas, Van Zandt County in north central Texas, southwestern Rains County in north central Texas, southeastern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Royce City to near Heath to near Mesquite, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Garland, Mesquite, Rowlett, Rockwall, Bulk Springs, Terrell, Seagoville, Forney, Kaufman, Canton, Wills Point, Roy City, Heath, Fett, Sunnyvale, Grand Saline, Maybank, Crandall, and Van. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 477 and 542. 12:30 between mile markers 51 and 75. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Effective until 4 a.m. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, Ellis County in north central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Watauga, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Carrollton, Flower Mound, Mansfield, Euless, DeSoto, Bedford, Grapevine, Cedar Hill, Haltom City, Keller, Coppell, Duncanville, Hearst, Lancaster, and Waxahachie. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.